Hey guys, so I have my slime. Oh, let's look at this. Just put it down there. I think Sharon has a video too. She has a video. Viola says Robin has a video and she has a Musical.ly video. Viola. Color looks beautiful. It looks great. So I got my camera. Looks so. Oh my god, this here is burning me. Wow. Watch you hear that? My BFF. Back. I have a BFF. Shannon, Jazzy, Ray, Sharon, and Candace. Those are my BFFs and Ray. And my best friend from California, Lizzie. My best friend from California, her name's Lizzie. No, her name's Skyla. It's the same as Sky's sister. Same as Quinn's sister. She used to be my BFF. We always hang out to each other. She spent at my house and spent the night at her house in California. Look at watch this. I see a camera. There's a camera. I'm seeing this just right. When it goes away, it looks like it's just green. I'm better right there. Try to add some motion. See you later. Try to fast. Try to slow. Slow. There are the pictures. Focus. Focus. Everyone has it close to the slimes. One has too close to the slimes. You Can we see it? Can when you come in here, the slime when they're all talking aloud. Yeah, you know, like that's the prettiest slime ever. Well, you can hear mine because I don't talk loud that much. Watch. This is the prettiest slime ever. No, this is pretty cool. People who doesn't know talks. That means something. So my slime looks cool. Bye everyone, have a good day.